1. Fresh Amla raw. Eat 1 to 2 fresh amlas daily on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. You can sprinkle a pinch of salt or chili powder to balance its tart flavor. Slices. Slice fresh amla and eat it as a snack. 2. Amla juice. How to prepare? Blend fresh amla with a little water. Strain and mix the juice with water and honey for taste. Drink it in the morning for energy and detoxification. 3. Amla powder. How to use? Add 1 teaspoon of amla powder to warm water, smoothies, or herbal teas. Mix with honey or yogurt to make a quick immunity booster. Sprinkle on salads or cooked vegetables for added nutrition. 4th. Amla candy or maraba. Sweet option, amla candies or maraba, preserved in sugar syrup, are great for kids and those who prefer sweet flavors. Consume as a midday snack or dessert. 5. Amla chutney blend. Fresh amla with green chilies, coriander, mint, salt, and lemon juice to make a tangy chutney. Serve with meals. 6. Amla pickle. Amla pickle is a tangy and spicy way to include it in your diet. Pair it with rice, roti, or parathas. 7. Amla tea. Steep dried amla or amla powder in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or ginger for added flavor. 8. Amla in smoothies. Add 1 teaspoon of amla powder or a small piece of fresh amla to fruit smoothies, e.g., with banana, orange, or mango. 9. Amla infused water. Soak a few pieces of fresh amla in water overnight. Drink the infused water in the morning to detox your body. 10. Amla with yogurt or honey mix. Amla powder with plain yogurt or honey for a quick, nutrient-rich snack or dessert. Tips for best results: daily quantity. 1 to 2 fresh amlas or 1 to 2 teaspoons of amla powder per day is sufficient. Avoid cooking. Heat destroys vitamin C, so consume amla raw or minimally processed for maximum benefits. Timing. Best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. Would you like detailed recipes for any of these?